So if you're wondering what is the best laptop for lawyers, this video will give you all the clarity you need to be able to choose the best laptop for your law firm. So for one of our most recent videos, this is the best camera for lawyers, we found that there was a lot of lawyers that were interested in finding the best equipment for their law firm. So today we're going to be talking about the best laptop for lawyers to be able to run your law firm as smoothly as possible. So first of all, let's address either Mac or Windows, okay? I don't mean for this video to get offensive for anybody, but I'm here to say that for law firm owners, I found Macs to be a much more quicker way to be able to run your law firm. There's a lot of tools that Mac provides you that is all innovative and it's all integrated to each other. And usually Macs have less viruses, less issues, and less chances of you actually taking it to a repair shop to fix. So with that being said, again, the reliability of Macs I think is a little bit stronger than Windows. But if you're a Windows guy and it's working for you, great. Second is which laptop? Okay, great. Apple computer, Mac computer. The laptop that I recommend is the MacBook Pro. This is a MacBook Pro, 2021 MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. And first of all, let's address what that is. So the year matters. So how recently you get your laptop, it really matters. Right now we're in 2022. Obviously you want to try to get the latest one. If not, I would say max 1 or 2 years is probably where you want to be, but not further than that. And it's very important to have the latest one because the quickness of your laptop will determine how fast you can work on your laptop and how effective you will be to be able to do more in less time. Okay, there's been so many situations where I found myself where I'm like quickly working and I take a moment, I'm like, wait a minute, I'm working so quickly and it's all thanks to my laptop. And that's enabled me again to be able to do more tasks in less time. So, and it does make a huge difference. It's a very good investment to be able to invest in a good, expensive laptop, which I don't look at it as an expense. First of all, it is a business expense, so you have to write it off. And second, it's an investment because you're using it daily basis for many, many years, for 4 or 5 years. So don't think of it as an expense. It's definitely an investment for your law firm. And I also mentioned that it's an M1 chip, which is a special chip that about a year or 2 years ago Apple came out with all the latest technology. What that does is it just makes your computer much faster. Some special things that I could also share with you when you are shopping for a laptop is, first of all, you get a decision whether you should get a 14-inch or 16-inch. I think with clarity, I know that a bigger monitor, a bigger screen will always allow you to work more. So always look to get the bigger one. So this one is a 16-inch. Second, you also want to look into the memory. Memory is how fast the processes are able to communicate with each other. And you always want to look to at least get 16 gigabytes minimum, possibly even 32. Probably 64 of memory is probably too much, you don't need it, but at least minimum, again, 60, look for 16. It's usually, look up at memory, and it's usually in gigabyte form. So at least 16, ideally even 32. And then last thing is hard drive space. This is how much space your computer has. Again, upfront, it's probably better to invest more in more hard drive space. I have about, I believe, I want to say 2 terabytes or 2 or 4 terabytes. At least I think the minimum should be 1 terabyte when you're looking at your computer to have enough of a space. And it's not about how much file size you have now, it's about how much file size you will have in 4 years. You know, whenever you're purchasing these things, it's about where the technology is going. So make sure you're never in a situation where all of a sudden you're saving all your videos, or you find yourself where you have to limit what you do or how many videos you save on your computer just because you didn't cough up a couple of $100 a couple of years before. So always, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Pay the extra couple of $100, get the extra space, get the extra memory, get the 16-inch so that you don't regret it a couple of years down the line. Okay, so to summarize, I'm a MacBook Apple fanboy, and it's not just being a fanboy, but there are some really good benefits of being on an Apple ecosystem. And I highly recommend the MacBook Pro with M1 chip, either from 2021 or from 2022, or if new ones come out, great. And just make sure you are cognizant of those specs with, again, the hard drive space, with the memory, and the monitor space, the screen size, and make sure you get the best laptop for a lawyer. If you're a lawyer right now, you got value from this, take a moment right now to like this video, go ahead and do it. And for whatever reason, if you're not subscribed, take a moment right now to subscribe, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week. A lot of value for lawyers, sharing as much advice that I have, sharing it out to the world. And also, if you haven't already, go ahead and grab your Virtual Law Firm Secrets book. The link is below. I've been getting a lot of testimonials and a lot of reviews from this book. Go ahead and grab it because it will give you all the secrets about how to run your law firm from anywhere in the world, whether it be from your bedroom or from any country or anywhere in the world. All right, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.